Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel easiest and fastest method. So open your Excel program. Now here click on new and drag and drop your PDF file. This is my PDF file. Show you this is the PDF. Now to convert your PDF, drag and drop on this Excel interface or just drag and drop or pick and throw PDF to your Excel surface. You will see this warning. The file format and extension of PDF testing don't match. The file could be corrupted or unsafe unless you trust its source. Don't open it. Do you want to open it anyway? Click on yes. Now here guys, just drag and drop your PDF file here. It will ask permission, so click on yes. So if you have any simple PDF file, so it will convert properly, and if you have high data on your PDF file, so it will not work properly. You have to many customization and modification. So just you can try a PDF to convert in Excel if you have a simple PDF file. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.